Another weekend, another cove. This time we have a view of the golf course. It's Legacy Golf. Get to watch people tee off all day. See a lot of balls hit the water. Absolutely gorgeous surroundings though. Perfectly flat day out today, no wind. Moon's still up. I don't know if you can see it up there. Small plane overhead. Just pristine flat water though. A nice cove all to ourselves for now. Thought I'd share a little bit of the view for our Sunday. Hope your Sunday is going well and you have a great day.